The growth of otherwise unprofitable factory farms is being encouraged by massive financial incentives for anaerobic digesters, ADs, which use animal waste to make so-called green energy. As Northern Irish farmers receive subsidies at double the rate of anywhere else in the UK, investors in London have hijacked the scheme and are reaping massive profits. The cost is paid for by everyone else in terms of a polluted environment from massive spreading of excessive slurry and higher energy bills.
There was 179 applications passed in Northern Ireland for AD plants. 69 are in operation. Each of them take probably, through Ofgem, we got the figures, £900,000 a year. Multiply that by 69, by 21 years, and you've got £1.3 billion going to fat cat investors sitting in London. Meantime, Northern Ireland, those AD plants have slurry that needs to be spread. So we've got more slurry.
We were sold a pup, to put it mildly. They told us it would take X tons of silage to run the plant. Turned out it takes twice the amount.
Because of the way that AD plants operate, if they take slurry, they have to take an equal volume of green energy crops to feed the plants. So we're actually now moving into a situation where we're growing energy crops and using land to feed AD plants.
It could be a double-edged sword for some farmers, where somebody has an anaerobic digester and farmers can't afford to feed their animals.
So, those who do eat meat can support family farms like these by only buying meat with a high animal welfare label. Whether it's in a restaurant or a cafe, a shop or a supermarket, look for RSPCA assured, outdoor bred, free range or organic. Please help close the door on any more factory farms by signing our petition